Hey guys, how you doing? If you have a GE Opal 2.0 ice maker like this one, whether it's the 4 button or the 3 button, and you have the dreaded clean flashing light, and you've cleaned it, you've unplugged it from the wall, you've let it sit, you've done everything you possibly can do, and you can't get rid of that flashing light, but it still makes ice just fine, this is what you've got to do to get rid of it. And what I typically do is I turn it off, and then you want to push and hold the clean button to put it in descale mode. Now, if you just tap the clean button while it's on, it'll go into clean mode, but that's a 3-minute process. And that's typically when you have your vinegar or your cleaning tablets in it or whatever you use to clean it. Well, to put it in descale mode, you push and hold, and on this particular unit, there's no descale light. Some units do have a descale light. This particular unit does not have a descale light. So you think it's just in clean mode, but it's actually in a 55-minute descale mode. And you're going to push and hold. When it comes on, you're going to have your cleaning light. And if yours is flashing, that's fine. But once it kicks on and it goes into descale mode, it's going to run for 55 minutes and it's going to shut on and off throughout that 55-minute process. When it finally finishes, you'll know because all your lights will be out. Your Wi-Fi light will still be on, but all your other lights are going to be turned off. And it literally takes right at 55 minutes for that procedure to finish. And once that shuts off and you turn it back on, you're not going to have a flashing cleaning light anymore. So that's what it took for this one to finally get that light to shut off. I've been fighting this for about a week now, and this machine's only a month old. So to me, it shouldn't have been on anyway, but someone said on the forums that it pops on after 100 hours of making ice, which is fine, but they need to tell you what it takes to get it to shut off. And I went through multiple cleaning procedures, never did anything. I unplugged it. I let it sit for 30 minutes with it unplugged. Never did anything. It took going into that descale mode for it to finally shut off. But anyway, GE Opal 2.0 Ice Maker. That's what it took for the cleaning light to finally turn off for us. Anyway, we're done. You guys take care. We'll see you.